I did a whole series on money being energy, right? And as we when we look around us in the room, you see the room is filled with energy, but you can't. It has no power. It has no direction. But when you focus that energy, it turns into electricity. It turns into the light, the sound, and all the things that we're using. And it's the same thing that happens with our money. When it doesn't have anything to do, it dissipates. It's
Mhm.
gone. And if we start looking at our money as our life's energy, because many people, and even in business, you go to work, you get paid an hourly rate or you get paid a salary, you earn that money. And so for every dollar that you earn, that was time you spent working or building a business. And so that's your energy that you've put into it. And if you just let it dissipate because you've given it no direction, even like you said, if you say, I'm just putting it into a brokerage account or I'm putting it into a high yield savings account because I wanted to accumulate to a certain rate to do something, it has to have somewhere to go. It has to know what it's doing. That's just like energy. If you don't direct it, you can't even see it or use it.